How to share your Soundation project with others. First of all, open your project in Soundation and make sure everything is ready for sharing. When you are happy with your project, you can either export it or share a direct link. Soundation provides a few simple options for sharing your work, making it easy to collaborate or receive feedback from others. Next, to share a link to your project, click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the screen. Here you will find the different options depending on how you want to share the project. If you want to invite collaborators to work with you, you can use the Invite Collaborators option. Enter their username or email address and they will receive an invitation to join your project and make edits. This is a great option for real-time collaboration. Alternatively, you can share a play-only link using the Share Play-only link option. This allows others to listen to your project but not make any changes. Simply copy the link and send it to anyone you want to share your work with. If you want to share your project as a template, you can choose the Share Template link option. This will allow others to open a copy of your project and make their own changes, leaving your original intact. Another option is to make your project public. By selecting Make Project Public, anyone with the link can access your project, but only those invited can make changes to it. Once you have selected your preferred sharing option, simply copy the link and share it with others however you like. And that's it. Now you know how to share a Soundation project with others. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.